Howdy, snap button shirt guy, or should I say aloha. Today I am featuring a shirt that I have been holding on to for several months. Now I got a package in the mail from this shirt company in Hawaii, and I've held on to it for the past 3-4 months and just have not had the time to review it. So today we're going to take a look at a shirt, a snap button shirt from Western Aloha. Take a look at that logo. That's great with the rope for Western and the boar on the surfboard. So I have yet to open this package. I forgot even what kind of shirt I asked for. I'm thinking it's a shirt with some flowers on it, but I'll tell you what, we're gonna take a look here. We're gonna open the package up and see what's in there. I'm gonna keep the package because I really like their logo, and hopefully one of these days get a sticker or two. So, oh wow, like I said, I haven't even opened this yet. I don't know what to expect. There's a little bag in here. Not sure what's in this bag, but if it's a sticker, this is going to be a lot of fun. Nope, just my invoice stuff. No sticker yet. Take another look here at the package. So here's the shirt pulling out right now. It's all wrapped up in some parchment paper. Nothing else in the bag. Well, there is a sticker. I might be able to salvage it, but there it is. I don't know. I really like their logo. I'm gonna keep that. Hey, look at there. Look at this shirt. This is really nice. Like I said, I've held on to this shirt, haven't even opened it for several months. I've just been waiting for the time to do it, and I hope this video comes across. And man, this thing is nice. It's a nice shirt. It's made in Texas. I think they have the cotton produced there. The fabric is, I believe, some sort of cotton fabric. I want to say this is the Ohia, the Ohia shirt. I'll have information about this shirt down below in my description with the exact name and link. But let's take a look at it. So there's the shirt. It's a long sleeve. Has flowers on it, and I believe it's a type of pattern that's the flower type. Inside, it's got the nice shirt tag. I really like that logo with the rope for the word Western from the big island of Hawaii. So it looks like it's got the typical number of snap buttons on here, and just has a normal button up at the neck. Now, this is a size large, so I'm going to try it on and see how it fits. Just show you the tag here. I'll take a picture of it. Made in the USA, made in Texas. There also on the bottom of the shirt is a tag of their boar, and then it says, "Take it easy, but take it." That's a good saying. Just jump into it. So it looks like a really a thin type of shirt that's very cool. This will be nice now approaching here. Today's the first day of summer here where I live, and so this will be a nice shirt. And I don't live in Hawaii, so but this is looks like a nice shirt. So let me take this one off. Here we have. Yeah, this is a good shirt so far. It's got 3 buttons going up on the cuff. And buttons are really tight on there. Okay, so this is a size large. Not sure what their measurements are, but But here's my hand. So it's a little, it shrinks up a little bit on me. Stand back this way. But it's not super long. I think it's comfortable. It doesn't. It's not too long. It's easy to fold up. Now, a lot of times I wonder with my snap button shirts whether I should tuck them in or leave them out untucked. This looks like a style, and I'll put extra pictures in there so you can see it, that you could leave it untucked. It's a nice, cool fabric feeling. It's kind of a nice, slick feeling shirt. It doesn't bind up too much. I like the pattern on there. That's a nice pattern, and it's, like I said, it's a thin shirt, so it's a great shirt for when it's warm out, and it's a little warmer today. But overall, this is exciting because, like I said, I've held onto this shirt and haven't even looked at it for several months. It's just been sitting in the bag. So I'll have more information about Western Aloha and then this type of shirt, and they have several other shirts to choose from on their website. You can go there. I'll have all that information down below, and I'll put some more pictures in this video wearing the shirt in different places, showing some up-close pictures of different things. So overall, it goes real well with a pair of blue jeans, a pair of boots, and this definitely is a nice Western shirt with a floral print on there. So remember, keep snapping your shirt. This has been Snap Button Shirt Guy.